Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Symbol of Knowledge. Hello friends, I have prepared specially for you tenses, uses of tenses, uses of simple present tense, uses of simple past tense, uses of simple future tense, useful for standard 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th students. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put on like and share it to your friends and relatives. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. For next video, please click on bell icon. I have given the link of my channel in the description of this video. There are many playlists on my channel. You can choose any playlist and watch any video which you like. Okay friends, let us start without wasting time. Uses of simple present tense. The format of the sentence: subject plus main verb or main verb suffix yes or es. Uses of simple present tense. First use: to express habits and routines. Charles goes to gym every morning. I drink coffee every morning. Julie gets up early in the morning. They watch football matches regularly. Students often visit Global English Creativity website. Next use: to express general or universal truths. For examples: the earth moves around the sun, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, a magnet attracts iron, plants need soil and water to live, sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Next use: to express future actions. For examples: I go to Jerusalem next year with my wife. My friend arrives Paris on next Wednesday. The restaurants open at 8 tonight. The plane lands in 10 minutes. Our final exam starts from day after tomorrow. Next use: in negative sentences. For examples: they do not know my phone number. Javed doesn't like to study chemistry. Many teachers don't use laptop while teaching. Edwin does not use dictionary while studying. Next use: in questions. Do you know the writer of the novel? Don't they live in Tokyo now? Does Miller speak Spanish well? Doesn't he play a semi-final today? Uses of simple past tense. The format of the sentence: subject plus past tense of the main verb. Uses: first use: to express finished action. For examples: we saw a movie yesterday. We traveled Australia last year. John played very well today. Julie finished to write a storybook. My father died in 2015. Next use: to express past duration. For examples: we lived in Jerusalem for 2 weeks. Smith played football all day. I studied French for 2 years. Last year, my daughter joined IT company. They talked on phone for 1 hour. Next use: in negative sentences. We didn't study grammar yesterday. You didn't respect your teacher. My mother didn't go to Paris. They did not invite me for the ceremony. You did not watch a movie. Next use: in questions. Did they go to London? Did you wash the car yesterday? Did Smith study English grammar? Did teacher teach with the help of laptop? Did Sangeeta manage the situation skillfully? Uses of simple future tense. The format of the sentence: subject plus shall or will plus main verb. Uses: first use to express future actions. For examples, I shall go to Yorkshire next year. The teacher will teach English tenses tomorrow. They will come to meet me on Wednesday. The minister will declare annual budget soon. Next, use to predict future events. For examples, it will rain heavily tomorrow. Brazil will surely win the football final. The train will arrive late for 2 hours. The Prime Minister will talk on current pandemic crisis. Next, use to express willingness. For examples, Tony will help his friend to write a blog on internet. Mrunal will give a public speech on Monday. My mother will deposit $50 in relief fund. All teachers will participate in blood donation camp. Next, use in negative sentences. For example, they will not listen the songs on radio. I won't leave my seat until I get written order. Roji will not help you in this situation. He will not waste his time in talking on phone. Next, use in questions. For example, shall we go to the cinema tomorrow? Will you come with me to collect the papers? Won't they visit the monuments now? Will the students attend today's online meet? Hello friends, thank you very much. We will study one more grammar lesson in the next video. Okay friends, goodbye. See you again in the next video very soon. Bye bye.